Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni salad. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for this delicious dish. You'll need 2 kilograms of cooked elbow macaroni, along with mayonnaise, vinegar, and sugar for the dressing. Don't forget your fresh vegetables like onion, celery, and red bell peppers, all finely chopped. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on creating a perfect macaroni salad. Now, let's create the heart of our macaroni salad, the creamy dressing. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Whisk these ingredients until they are smooth and well blended. Next, season the dressing with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. For an extra layer of flavor, stir in 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. This dressing will perfectly coat our macaroni and vegetables. With our dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. In a very large bowl, gently combine the cooked 2 kilograms of elbow macaroni with all your chopped vegetables. Pour the creamy dressing over the macaroni and vegetables. Carefully fold everything together, ensuring every piece is evenly coated. This step is crucial for a consistent flavor throughout. Once mixed, cover the salad and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. Chilling allows the flavors to meld beautifully. To truly perfect your macaroni salad, consider making it a day in advance. This allows the flavors to deepen and meld, resulting in an even more delicious dish. Always taste and adjust the seasoning before serving. You might want a bit more salt or pepper. Remember, a great salad is all about balance. Also, for staying refreshed, check out the Owala water bottle link and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your homemade, delicious macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.